Hi, this is Ankita. I am studying in 12th standard. I am from Bangalore. Today I am in Ciipdc, Udupi. Today I am going to do the project. Here I am using one battery, breadboard, two LEDs and a resistor connected in the series manner. And here it is the integrated circuit IC555. In upcoming projects I am going to use the IC555. Let's see the circuit how it is working. I connected battery to the legs of the IC555 and from there I connected the breadboard and I used resistors because the voltage of the LED is 1.8. To resist the voltage flow I used the resistance and I connected two LEDs in the series manner. Here the LED is glowing. This is my experiment too. Here I used two LEDs, breadboard and battery. Here I connected 330 ohm resistor so that LED is glowing. I connected battery and LED like this on the breadboard. Here I used 9 volt battery and 330 ohm resistor and one diode which allows the current to flow in one direction, and I connected 3 LEDs green, blue and white in the parallel manner. See, 3 LEDs are also glowing. When I connected in the series manner, it won't glow like this. This manner it won't glow like that how in parallel it glows, because in series for three LEDs also voltage will be different. In parallel means voltage remains same, in series voltage varies, so that in LED in series manner it glows like lightly, in parallel manner it 3 LED also glows in dark manner. Here I used 9 volt battery and dual LED which emits two colors according to that how we connect in the manner, and I used 3 ohm resistor. Here I connected, you can see here I connected and dual LED, positive to positive, negative to negative. Dual LED is emitting the light. Here you can see I used one battery, a breadboard and LED, and I connected like this. I used a diode. It allows the current in one direction. I used 330 ohm resistor. See here I connected the polarity in the right manner. Let's reverse the polarity of the diode. See, light is not glowing because diode allows the current to flow in one direction. It means it allows the current to flow in forward biases. It won't allows the reverse biases. Let's see what will happen if we allows the heat. Let's heat the diode. Here you can see light is glowing. From this setup, we come across the conclusion that even diode also works in reverse biases when we heat the diode. You can use this application in detecting the temperature rise. This is my experiment 6. Here I used battery and this is the LDR, means light dependent resistance, and two LEDs. I connected like this. I connected the LED in the parallel manner. Let's see if it glows or not in the series manner. Input is connected to the resistance and this input is connected to this LED. So input pin is making the LED to glow, and this input LED pin is connected to the output. So this input and output is making the LED to glow. This input makes us to view the in the series manner also LED is emitting the light. This is my experiment 7. Here you can see I used 9 volt battery, 2 million resistors and 330 resistor and one capacitor and LED. You can see here always current flows through from positive to negative. Here I connected positive to the 8th pin and it is connected to the resistor and it is connected to the capacitor. From capacitor I connected to the this pin, 4th pin, and this is connected to the input result of LED. This is my experiment 8. Here I used 9V battery and 1 LED capacitor and 10 ohm resistor and 1 million resistor and 330 resistor. Here, as you know, electricity passes through from positive to negative terminal. Here I connected positive to the voltage discharge to, and that is connected to the resistor. Resistor pin is connected to the capacitor and it is connected to the here reset pin, 4th pin, and it is connected to the negative terminal of the LED, and it means it is giving input to the LED so that LED is glowing, and so that we got the output as a LED emitting the light. This is my experiment 9. Here I used 9V battery and you can see here I used 330 ohm resistor and 2 1 million ohm resistors and 1 capacitor used to store the electric charge, and here I connected LED in series. You can see LED is glowing. This is my 10th experiment. Here I connected negative term to the voltage discharge pin, and here I connected 2 resistors, and from there it is connected to the output pin and it is connected to the speaker. When I touch this positive terminal to this reset pin, it is making the sound. You can hear. I use 9V battery and 2 10K resistors and capacitor and 330 ohm resistor, and here on LED I used, you can see I connected 2 resistor like this and capacitor. LED is emitting the light. This is my experiment 15. Here I used one LED and LDR light dependent resistance and 10K ohm resistor and capacitor and 0.1 capacitor. Here you can see LEDs are blinking little faster than previous experiment because I reduced one resistor so that LED are blinking. I connected these LEDs in the opposite manner, positive to negative and negative to positive. So here is one component in the IC555, that is flip-flop, that makes the capacitor to discharge and charge the capacitor, so that capacitor makes the LED to emit one light and light off. This is my experiment 13. Here you can see I used 9V battery and capacitor and resistor, connected the LED in the parallel manner. You can see 3 LEDs are emitting the light. Let's connect in series. Will it emit the light in the same manner? Let's see. One is glowing and another one is not glowing, because voltage will not remain same, so that one LED is glowing and another one LED is not glowing. This is my experiment 4. Here I use 9V battery, capacitor and IC555 and 2 LEDs. When I connect those LEDs to the battery, it will glow in an alternative manner. You can see LEDs are glowing in an alternative manner because we used one component, flip-flop will be there in the IC555. That component makes this capacitor to discharge the energy in the one way and makes charge of the capacitor in the one way. When it will be discharged, voltage will flows in one direction, and when it is charged, that will flows in one direction. So it makes the LED to glow in alternative manner. Experiment 17. Here I used 0.1 farad capacitor and 10 farad capacitor and 3 resistor. I connected to the speaker like this. This is called as two-tone siren. Here it produces the two-tone You can hear. One is in high frequency and one is in low frequency. This application is used in the ambulance vans and the police vans where they will produce two tones. This is my 16th project. Here I used 3 resistors and LED and 9-volt battery. Here is one application that when the tank is full, LED will glow. See, you can see. When I dip these 2 wires in the water, it will glow. When I remove these 2 wires from the tank, LED is not glowing. It means when the tank is full, LED will emit the light, and when tank is empty, it will not emit the light. Let's try with buzzer. Let's see what will happen if you use the buzzer. I used LED and the both buzzer. Let's see what will happen if one it glows or the buzzer will not make sound or LED will not light up, or else both works. Let's see. Both is working. This is my 17th project. Here I connected capacitor 0.1 farad capacitor and 100 farad capacitor and 2 resistor. Here see I connected like this the battery, negative terminal to reset pin and positive terminal to input pin. See, I connected speaker. Let's touch this wire in this wire. It is making the sound. Will it make the sound or not? If you hold like this without touching that wire, will it create magnetic fields or not? No, it is not creating. If you touch these 2 wires, then only it is making the noise. You can hear the noise of the speaker. This is my 19th project. Here I use 9-volt battery, capacitor and resistors, 27k resistor, 330 ohm resistor and 2 LEDs. I connected like this. See, LED is not glowing. Even I connected battery. Now I will hold these 2 ends of the wire. When I hold the wire, LED starts to blink. When I release these wires, LED will turn off. Because when we hold these ends of the wire, electrons from our body will pass into these wires and that will be passed into that LED, so that LED starts to blink. Now I am touching these 2 wires with wet hand. See how it will work. Blinking faster because our body releases electrons. Water molecule is H2O. Oxygen valency is 6. When the electrons releases from our body, some electrons will make bond with the oxygen. So that only few electrons will pass through these wires. So it will blink. This is my 20th project. Here I used LDR, 9-volt battery and 2 LEDs, and here you can see when I close the LDR, light intensity is increasing because when the light falling on the LDR decreases, the LED connected to the circuit, that light intensity increases. Light falling on this LDR increases, so the LED intensity decreases. Here you can see light intensity of this LED is decreasing.